The United States Air Force's preparation of its multi-billion-dollar B-2 Spirit stealth bombers for extreme missions is a complex and multifaceted undertaking, demanding meticulous attention to both technical and operational readiness. Before each mission, the aircraft undergoes a rigorous pre-flight inspection, a process that involves a highly trained team of technicians meticulously examining every aspect of the bomber's sophisticated systems. This includes a thorough assessment of the aircraft's advanced stealth coatings, ensuring their integrity remains unimpaired, as well as comprehensive checks of the avionics, ensuring seamless communication and navigation capabilities, and a detailed evaluation of engine performance, guaranteeing optimal power and reliability throughout the mission. Beyond pre-flight checks, the B-2 requires constant and specialized maintenance due to its advanced technology and complex design. This ongoing maintenance program encompasses regular inspections, prompt repairs of any identified issues, and continuous upgrades to incorporate the latest technological advancements, all aimed at maintaining peak operational efficiency and ensuring the bomber's readiness for deployment at a moment's notice. The weapon loading process itself is a highly secure and carefully orchestrated procedure. The B-2's capacity to carry a diverse array of conventional and nuclear weapons, including the devastating B-61 nuclear bomb and the powerful GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator, MOP, necessitates rigorous protocols to ensure the safe handling and deployment of these potent armaments. This meticulous approach extends to the training of the B-2's pilots, who undergo an exceptionally demanding program. This intensive training regimen includes extensive simulator sessions to hone their skills in handling the aircraft's complex systems under various conditions, followed by rigorous flight training in T-38 Talon jets to maintain their flying proficiency, and culminates in extensive mission rehearsals to prepare them for the intricacies and challenges of real-world deployments. Mission planning for a B-2 sortie is an equally intricate process. Each mission is meticulously planned and often involves a team of experts who carefully consider a wide range of factors, including the precise target location, prevailing weather conditions, potential threats along the flight path, and the need for careful coordination with other assets. This meticulous planning results in detailed flight plans, precise refueling schedules, and robust communication protocols, all designed to ensure the mission's success and the safety of the crew. Furthermore, the B-2 regularly participates in nuclear generation exercises, simulating high-stakes scenarios that mirror the realities of a potential nuclear conflict. These exercises involve rapid deployment and weapon loading procedures, followed by simulated nuclear strikes, ensuring the B-2 force remains combat-ready and capable of responding decisively to a nuclear crisis. The combination of these technical and operational preparations underscores the immense effort dedicated to ensuring the B-2 Spirit's readiness for its critical role in the nation's defense.